Good day, hardware and networking, lesson 7, system restorations. Okay, in this lesson, students need to understand what is system restorations. Okay, so the objectives in these lessons, the first one will be what is system safe. Over here, students need to understand what system restoration means. The second objective will be create a restore points. That students need to learn how to create a system restore points. And the next objective will be restore a system. Students need to learn how to restore a system to its current state. The next objective will be introductions to system safe. Understand that system safe allows user to use the computer without any risk. The next objective will be introductions to return news, that a disk virtualization software that protects changes in the computer's hard disk. And then the last objective will be the virtual modes. Understand step by step on how to on and off system safe. Okay, so what is a system safe? Okay, this one, system restores help us to restore our computer system files to an earlier point in times. Okay, so this one actually is a way to undo the system change to our computer without affecting our personal files like emails, documents and photos. This one we call this a system safe. Okay, so how are we going to create a system restore points over here? Okay, so at first we need to go and open the system by clicking the start button. Right click at the computer and then we click the properties. Okay, so at the left pane that you can see over there, we choose the system protections. Okay, if you are prompted from an administrator password or confirmations, type the password or provide the confirmations over there. After that, we just click the system protection tabs and we just click create. Okay, after that, in the system protection dialog box, we type the descriptions there and we just click create. Okay, so how we want to restoring a system right now? Okay, the first step over here, we open the system restores by clicking the start button. In the search box, we type the system restore and then you can see we have a list of results over there and then we will click the system restores over there. Okay, so the same thing over here, if you are prompted for an administrator password or confirmations, you just type the password or provide the confirmations. Okay, so after that we will go and click the recommended restores and we just click next. Okay, so if there isn't a recommended restore points over there, you just follow the steps below to choose a specific restore points. Okay, we just review the restore points and we just click finish. Okay, they will be done. After that, the next objective will be introductions to a system safe. Okay, we can run our system in a special mode with the virtual mode features which allow us to try out new applications or experiment with the system while being sure that we can always discard the changes made to the system and we will be back to the state. Okay, so why the system safe is very important for us? Okay, because we can go back to an old system state in a second simply by just rebooting. Okay, other than that, we can just automatically remove the malware and other unwanted software. We can also easily recover from serious system crash or unwanted system change. Okay, this is why system safe is very important for us. Okay, so after that we have the introduction to return news. Return news actually is a virtual system that helps us to protect our computer from all types of virus or other malicious threats. Okay, so we have the virtual mode over here. We have to turn the virtualization on or off. Green button display the text stop virtual mode. Red button display the text start virtual modes. Okay, so the virtual mode will always on when the virtual mode protection will be active only the computer start. Okay, so after that, how about the setting inside the return news? First, if you want to exit from a virtual mode, that's called option for what will happen to change following a restart of your computer with the virtual mode protections active. Okay, so after that, the setting for drop all changes recommended. This one is the default option as well, the most secure configurations. All changes not specifically saved to your real disk will be lost at restart of your computer when you have the system save feature turned on. Okay, the last setting, save all the changes. As the text implies, this option will save all changes to the real hard disk and will be attached to virtual protections was not on. Okay, so this is all for lesson 7. Thank you.